Hello team. Today we're going to discuss some of the product setups on the WooCommerce site. So this tutorial assumes you already have a website set up for e-commerce with your products and you have some familiarity with page builder tools like Elementor. If not, you can review previous tutorials on those. For today's discussion, we're going to check how to display featured products, our best-selling products, our latest products on our page, how to group them separately so that customer can see which are the best-selling products on the site, right? Before we go into that, we will have some short introduction on the products in WooCommerce. There are some attributes available on the products, and there are some attributes available on the product content. So those are useful for setting up, grouping our products into different categories, right? So on the product attributes, we have like options like how many products should be displayed on the page and how many columns, what are the pagination, and what is how the products are ordered on the page. And also there is some attributes that will identify whether the product is on sale, like this on underscore sale attribute, best selling products, top rated products. Right. These are some of the attributes we're going to use it for today's topic. Similarly, we have some content attributes which will categorize. Mostly we have the visibility attribute that we want to use it for today. So the visibility attribute will control how the product is displayed on the page, whether it is displayed on the shop page, whether it comes under search results, whether the product is hidden or is it a featured product, right? So we have different attributes for that product, right? We have to set a particular product as featured, use that featured attribute, right? We want product to be hidden from both shop and search. You can use the hidden flag, right? So you can take a look at different attributes on this page. Today we're going to set up how to display like best featured products or best selling products or newest products on our page, right? So without any further delay, let's continue to our web page, right? So the first step we want to do, we want to display featured products on our page. So we're going to utilize the shortcode for each of them to display those products. Yeah, let's start doing this. So we go to our admin dashboard, we go to pages, we create a new page. Right, I think it's opening up. So we're going to name it as a demo page, demo products. Right, we're going to edit with Elementor. Let's wait until it comes up. Right, so we're going to add a new section with a single row, and we're going to add a text heading. So we call it, I think, featured products. That's what we're going to do first. Right, we'll center this. Then we're going to add a shortcode block. Let's get the shortcode in. add it here, right? So we're going to get the short code from the WooCommerce page for featured products. Add it onto our page. Just click apply. So you got featured products on the page, right? It's easy. Let's publish this page. Let's view what we got. So we got featured products and our products on the display, right? It's easy. So let's try adding best-selling products and also newest products onto our page. Select a single cost row structure. Let's add a heading. Make it as best-selling products. Right. Let's enter the heading. Let's get a short code block. Let's get the short code block right here. Let's get the short code for best selling from WooCommerce site. Best selling products. Apply. See, now we got best selling products on the page. So let's do the one more section for newest products before we preview the page. So this is latest products. Let's enter this again. Let's add a short code element or block. Let's get the short code from the site. We want to see newest products, right? So it has like the order by ID, this order by descending. So the latest product will be on the top. We're going to limit the products to 4, right? Let's do apply. There you go. So we got best selling products, we got latest products on the page. Let's update it and view the page. There you go. We have featured products that are displayed, best selling products that are displayed, and latest products that are displayed. Right? So you can configure the short codes based on the product attributes and create different groups of products that you highlight them on the page.